Hi friends, today we'll see how to cut designer back with net. First we'll cut back neck on lining. For that you can watch our previous video or you can cut your back with the measurement. Here we are taking 10-inch neckline. Square neck in which you have to place the net. Now cut two pieces of net as we are taking double net for neckline as per the sketch. You have to take, so take the cut area of the square neck, place it on the net, and with the extra margin of 1 inch you have to cut it. Cut the neckline on net. See, this is 2 net fabric neckline we have cut, which we are going to check with lining whether it is perfect or not. Now you place your firma of lining on the main fabric and cut the back neck of the blouse. Now you can check this. Your cutting part is done perfectly. Now we'll proceed to the stitching part of it. As per the sketch, you have to make your back. For that, you have to attach lining with the main fabric. Keep the neck ready in square shape. To turn the neck inside, you have to cut little bit at the corners so that lining can easily turn inside. You can see square neck is ready with the main fabric and lining. Now you have to attach the net. As per the sketch, you have to attach golden stripe and blouse piping to your neckline. Blouse piping is finished. You can see from inside also it look finished and outside also it look finished properly. Now you have to attach this net to your main blouse back neck. At center you have to mark it so that your neckline will not move here and there, and you can place the net properly to your main fabric of the back neck. Now you can check this. Your back neck is ready. You have to attach this stripe at back neck bottom. As we have marked back dart here, so we have to stitch it. You can check it out how nicely your designer bag is ready with the net. If you like this, like us, subscribe us and share it with your friends. And if you have any doubts related to the topic, comment us in the comment box. Thank you.